So we all love DJI drones with their ease of use, compact designs and their capabilities. So right now DJI is predominated in the drone industry and they don't have a strong competition. And the good thing is companies working on their products and making them good day by day. And today DJI revealed their Mavic Air 2. The follow-up to the popular Mavic Air, which is now 2 years old. The new model aims higher in nearly every respect. And here is why the DJI Mavic Air 2 is now the best drone you can buy. So the DJI Mavic Air 2 achieves the perfect balance between the size and features. And it is sitting in between the entry-level DJI Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro. So unlike the pricier Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom, so the Mavic Air 2 features a 48 megapixel sensor which is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second at 60 Mbps and 8K video time lapses. And the sensor also features pixel binning to create higher quality 12 megapixel images, or you can use the full 48 megapixel resolution. It also shoots HDR videos at 4K 30 frames per second and slow motion at up to 240 frames per second in 1080 pixels. And now specs aside, DJI says it's improved the drone imaging AI to recognize scenes and automatically choose the best shooting mode such as HDR for daytime or hyperlight, DJI's take on night mode for the night. The Mavic Air 2 is actually a bit heavier than its predecessor at 570 grams rather than 430, but the good thing is it packs a larger battery that's able to fly for 34 minutes instead of just 21. This is also aided by more efficient motors and improved aerodynamics. You can use that extra time to fly further too, as there is improved video transmission technology, now operates more reliably at distances up to 10 kilometers. And guys, DJI Mavic 2 Air is also DJI's first consumer drone with AirSense technology that receives signals from the nearby aircraft to warn the pilot about their approach. Now talking about the launch date and pricing, DJI Mavic Air 2 will go on sale in China today, but it will be available in US markets on 11th May at a price tag of $799, which is same as its predecessor. That's why this is one of the best drone you can buy right now. And if you have any thoughts about the Mavic Air 2, tell me in the comment section and I will see you tomorrow.